Morning guys, January 26, 2023. This is whenever I got a call for a tub spout leaking by. It's leaking by more than when she first installed it back in the day. So she lifts the tub spout, the tub shower should come on, and you know, you get some water out of the spout, but it shouldn't be crazy amount. So that's what she's complaining about. Gonna go over there and see what's going on with it. I do have chrome ones in the truck. I don't have chrome nickel and some of the copper and some of the fancy colored ones. I don't stock them. But we'll go by and see what's going on, if that's what the issue is, and we'll swap it out for her. No big deal. Hello, Miss Molly. Hello, Miss Molly. Getting a lot of splatter out the spout there. See it? Gotta change that spout. The spout's gonna be replaced. Oh, look at that, come right off. Let's see if I can get that back in there. Yeehaw. There's a couple of different kinds that have a thread on it, and there's kind that have a locking mechanism on it. This is a better style, I think. See if we can get that on there. I should have a replacement for it right here. This should be the one.